when you hear the term wildfire, you may think of the West Coast. But with all of the fires this fall on this side of the country, what's the risk here in Rochester? It's the subject of today's Good Question. Emily, what did you learn?
Well, Lynette, Governor Kathy Hochul's office says the Jennings Creek wildfire is the largest wildfire in our state since 2008. It burned more than 5,000 acres of land in New York and New Jersey. Rain has helped get the fire under control this morning, and that's the key. Local climate is what makes all the difference. Dan wrote to us saying, I see in the news a lot of forest fires down in New Jersey and Massachusetts. What is our local risk of forest fires since we have all of these dead standing ash trees? Are we going to have a forest fire risk in our area? It has been very dry. Let's break down the factors Dan mentioned. First, weather. While Rochester has had a dry fall, it has not been as dry as the areas impacted by the Jennings Creek wildfire. Data from the National Weather Service shows the area affected by the fire in New Jersey had no rain whatsoever from October 1st through November 10th. The fire started November 8th. The area of New York impacted had 0.2 of an inch during the same time frame, less than normal. Here in Rochester, from October 1st until the middle of this month, we've had more than 3 inches of rain. We are not nearly as dry as areas downstate. Next, the dead ash trees. Downed branches can provide nutrients and moisture to soil, but if conditions are dry enough, dead trees can also act like fuel for a fire. If we were to experience a significant drought, our risk may increase, but right now it appears wildfires are not a top concern in the Rochester area. I reached out to the Rochester Fire Department to ask about our wildfire risk level here. Lieutenant Jackie Sierra confirmed, saying we are currently at low risk for wildfires in this area. The DEC provides daily updates on wildfire risks across the state. We'll link the DEC page for you on WHEC.com. If you have a good question you'd like answered, send us an email at goodquestion@WHEC.com.